Alright, what's going on, guys? So today I'm going to be working on my Miata, and I am going to be moving these here gauges over to here so I have more visibility through my A-pillar. Plus, I don't need this amp meter gauge anymore because I went through about 6 alternators when I first got the car just because they were crap from AutoZone. So now I can get rid of that and we can just have the boost and AFR, and I'm going to be moving them right here. So I figured I'd show you guys how I'm going to do that, and then I also might clean out inside there because do not want my car rusting like my parts car did. So yeah, I'll show you guys how it's done. Alrighty, so now that the car is in the garage, we gotta disconnect the battery since we're working with electronics. Shit. Just gonna loosen this one up, and then we can pop her off so we won't get electrocuted during this process. Now I'm gonna take this off, just mount it in there with a couple of flathead screws. Alright, so now that I got this all down, we can see all the exposed wires and stuff, and I'm going to start undoing the gauges out of here and just taking this whole piece off. Alrighty, so now I got all the stuff out of the gauge pod. Gauge pod is right over here on the ground, all disassembled. Much more clear vision without it there on the A-pillar, and got all the gauges over here. So now I'm going to start taking this apart and moving all of these wires over to here so I can put those in the eyeball vents. One-handed, no problem. For everybody wondering, one time I saw a video, some guy was like, these are very delicate, you need to be careful when you're taking them out. I've taken them out of a lot of Miatas, and every single time it's been really easy because all you go is this, and then you kind of pry upwards in there, and it just pops right out. Never broken one. Let's hope today's not the case while I'm showing you. Nope, never broken one yet. So that's a really easy way to get the eyeball vents out. Just like that, it is all torn apart. So I'm not going to unplug the radio just because I don't feel like it and I don't really need to for this. So I'm thinking I'm going to put the AFR in this one and boost in this one. Might end up being the other way around depending on how long my boost line, well, not my boost line, but my vacuum line turns out to be. So if it's the other way around, it's the other way around. I guess you guys will know just as soon as I do. Alright guys, so now I've been working on it for a little bit, just had to get some stuff out of the way that was there for the amp meter gauge, all wired up to the alternator and stuff, but that's all taken care of now, and now I've got all of the wires run through here to the thing, and I think we're going to be good putting the boost gauge on this side. So now I'm going to start getting some holes made for the wires to come up through there, and then I'm going to get the gauges mounted into the eyeballs. Alrighty, so now we got all the wires pulled through the holes, just got to get the gauges in there. I got Tyler over here, he's popping out the eyeballs out of the holsters, and then we're going to get the gauges in and I'll show you how it looks. Alright guys, so then what we're going to be doing is we've disassembled the eyeball vents and we're going to be just sliding these in. So most gauges are I think 2.5 inches, and that's the perfect size for a Miata eyeball vent, and then after that it'll just pop right in there. Now I got to do some wiring before I do that. Alright, now we're going to put the battery back on, and then we're going to test out the good old gauge boys. Alrighty, so test number 1. We got power in both the gauges. And dare I say, first try?
Does it really work though?
I don't know, I'll test the boost gauge in a sec.
No, the other one.
Alrighty, car is started and the gauges are on. Boost gauge works. And I'm a happy boy. Alrighty, just got to my dad's shop. We're gonna take the A-pillar off of the parts Miata. So this is the parts Miata, little Zach's old Miata. She crusty.
Oh, she's nice in here, bro.
Oh, dude, she nice in here. Check it out.
Good,
smells excellent. But yeah, we're gonna grab the piece real quick. Alright guys, so now we got this off of the parts Miata, and we're just gonna throw her in real quick. Just a little bit of maybe not real quick. Got it. Alrighty, so now we got it in here. No panel up there, and the gauges are in here. Feels a lot cleaner on the interior, and I can see a lot more. So yeah, give you guys a little bit of a look from here.
Hey, we should make a sticker that says Club Ginga Gunga. Is that a video? Fuck.
So that's going to wrap up today's video. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button down below for more content, and I'll see you later.